Hello charms and welcome back to another video. So today I will be giving both of my vacuum cleaners a deep clean. I am cleaning a Bissell Power Force vacuum. I mostly use that vacuum cleaner to vacuum all the areas in my home that has carpet, and then the Moosoo cordless vacuum cleaner. I use that one to vacuum all the tile areas. So before we get in the video, I must give a shout out to the Tony Show. I saw Tony video about a week and a half ago when she cleaned her vacuum cleaner. And so when I'm looking at the video, I'm like, dang, let me look at mine. So I look over at mine. I'm like, oh, I need to clean mine too. So she gave me the idea to do this video. So shout out to you, Tony. And thank you for giving me this idea to clean out my vacuum as well. Yes, you did motivate me to get with it, and I did. So I'll leave a link below so you can check out Tony's video. So charms, the items I'll be using to clean the vacuums will be these Clorox wipes. I'm also using a razor, and I also had a can of air that you would use to like clean a keyboard on a computer, and it was just sitting in my storage, and I just like picked it up and I was like, let me use this. So we're going to use those items along with some Pine Island. I'll show you that later in the video. And yeah, we're going to clean it. This vacuum cleaner here, the Bissell, it needed more attention than the Moosoo, and you'll see later in the video why I'm saying this. So I cleaned it, and this was the hair and stuff that came out of it. I was so glad that it looks way better than it did. So charms, now I'm going to use this Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray, and I'm just going to make sure I saturate the entire front of the vacuum cleaner and go in and scrub it really well just to get inside the nooks and crannies. And this was so satisfying to me just because you see all that dust and stuff, and then when you cleaning it, you like, oh, I should have did this, you know, months ago. But guess what? We doing it now. So this is the Pine Island that I'm also using to put at the bottom of the canister. And I'm just going to add some water, and I'm going to just clean that out really good as well. And then I'll come back and show you. So now, Charms, it is all clean. Now we're just putting the pieces back together so I can put the canister back inside the actual vacuum. And the bristle is really done at this point. I just have to put the filter in as well, and it's air drying, so I wasn't going to wait a day later to keep filming, so I'll put it in later. But the bristle is completed, and it looks really good, doesn't it? Leave a comment down below and tell me how I did, because you know I want to hear from you. So leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about the way I clean the vacuum cleaners, and let me know which one you would prefer if you was cleaning your home, the cordless or the cord vacuum cleaner. Now we're moving on to the Moosoo, and this one wasn't bad at all, Charms. It really wasn't. Like, I cleaned this one maybe 6 months ago, and it didn't have like no hair or nothing in there, because like I said, I use this one to clean the tile, so it's not picking stuff up like the bristle does with the carpet. So I'm just going in, cleaning it really good with the cleaning toothbrush and just really getting the dust and stuff out. And I'm gonna clean the inside of it as well. And I was trying to get different angles and show you how it was looking, but I did my best. So I'm not going to talk you to death. I'm going to let the music play, and I'll come back from time to time and speak on different parts.
Come around, this thing called love comes crashing in. Come around, this once was lost, cannot be found. Come around, this called love comes crashing in. Pieces all on the ground, oh, thing called love comes crashing in. Pieces all on the ground, pieces all on the ground, oh, pieces all on the ground. Once was lost, cannot be found. I like this right here.
Okay, Charms. So the filter on the Moosoo was horrible. So I'm just taking some warm water with the Pine Island, and I'm going to soak it in there for about 30 minutes or so. And I really just want the dirt to loosen up. And Charms, look how black that water was. Like, that's not a good look at all, but it's so clean now. And I let it dry for a few hours. I say let it dry for 24 hours just to be on the safe side, because you don't want to put it back in your vacuum cleaner and then you have technical difficulties with your vacuum cleaner. So give it a full day to vacuum. Give it a full day to dry before you insert it back into your vacuum cleaner, just to be on the safe side, you know. All right, Charms, so the Moosoo is clean now. So now I'm going to put it back together as well. And I'm just inserting the filter, and then I'm putting the cap on top of the filter, and I'm going to lock it in place. And then I'm going to connect the actual power part of the Moosoo and put it on the vacuum cleaner. I know that's a lot, but it would make sense. Just watch the video what I'm doing. You'll get what I'm saying. But yes, Charms, so I thank you for tuning in with me and seeing what I was doing today. Don't forget to share, comment, and like, and let me know how you're feeling. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now, Charms.